Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday, April 3rd, and we are cooking, guys. We're 4 months into the year. Can you believe it? How fast time is flying, guys. Time is flying. So I just want to touch base on XRP and the lawsuit. Okay, guys? If you didn't know, XRP is going through a big-time lawsuit with the SEC exchange regarding their native token XRP and whether or not it was sold as a security, okay? And it's big news, guys. And I'm going to tell you right now, when I got into cryptocurrency as a whole, when I was introduced to cryptocurrency, I was introduced pretty late in the game, 2017, 2018-ish, when XRP went on that big bull run up to $3 and some odd change. That's when I was finally introduced to cryptocurrency in general. So I've been in cryptocurrency for about 5 years or so, but XRP was the very first token that I invested in. So I bought a ton of XRP, and I've since, unfortunately, I've since sold my XRP, and I've went on other ventures. And if you're still holding your XRP, which I know a lot of people are, and they're waiting for this lawsuit to be over with, whatever blows your hair back, whatever's good for you. But I'm no longer an XRP investor for my own reasons, not because of the lawsuit in general. I sold my XRP way before the lawsuit even came about. I just got tired of waiting, guys, and I know that it's a long-term game sometimes, and it's a long-term hold. And I learned that with Dogecoin. I sold my Dogecoin a little early, and then the bull run happened, and I missed out on Dogecoin. So XRP, I kind of FOMO'd in, guys. I FOMO'd in on XRP, and I bought not the top, but I bought it on the way up, like a lot of newbies do, and so XRP right now, a lawyer representing XRP in its lawsuit against the U.S. SEC has predicted that the agency will soon be targeting crypto exchanges. And I wanted to talk about why that could be a good thing and a bad thing. So one reason it could be a good thing is that it will get rid of a lot of the scams that are going on, guys. It's decentralized in nature, is the cryptocurrency is supposed to be, but at the same time, I think there should be some rules and some regulations, okay, guys, because there's a lot of scams going on. A lot of people are losing their money to scams, and some of these exchanges are getting hacked and shutting down. And the Canadian exchange, I forget the name of it, but that's a good example. The one that the guy mysteriously died in India from Crohn's disease, I believe. Super mysterious, and then he died with the keys to the wallets, and everybody lost their money. But I'm not here to talk about that. But it's one of the reasons I think that there should be some form of regulatory involved. But the SEC kind of just watching every move and every move we make. I don't 100% wholeheartedly agree with that, because at some degree it should remain decentralized. It should remain like the people's market. The SEC getting in there and getting in the mix of things may throw a giant wrench in the game. It may, it may help to a certain extent, but it also may throw a giant wrench in the game. Case in point, Ripple, XRP, what they're going through. They have a great company, a great use case. Cross-border payments is a great utility. And I think that, Ripple, XRP, once they get through this mess, it's going to take off. They have a giant future ahead of them. Awesome utility behind this. But like I said, I no longer hold XRP. That's not in my bag anymore. I do have a significant amount now in Shiba Inu, and this time I didn't buy Shiba Inu on the way up. I kind of caught Shiba Inu before the pump, and I didn't sell at the top either. I learned with XRP, and I learned with Dogecoin along the way the value of the long-term hold, guys. Warren Buffett, perfect example of the long-term hold, guys. He's probably the one of the greatest investors of all time, and he probably I watched a lot of videos on him speak, and he speaks of you have to hold. You have to hold if you're in this to hoping for a get quick rich, you're gambling, guys. And you know, whatever, like I said in the beginning, blows your hair back if that's what you want to do, if you're a day trader or whatever. But me particularly, I learned the value of the long-term hold, guys. This is a long-term hold. XRP, hopefully they get through this and they come out on top, and it's going to probably make a lot of people very rich, and they're going to solve a huge problem, cross-border payments, guys. Hopefully they can replace SWIFT, which is, you know, was born in the late 70s, early 70s, whatever. But it's super slow. SWIFT is super slow, and SWIFT, the fees are incredible. XRP kind of, you know, solves that problem. So hopefully they get through this mess with the SEC and they come out on top. Maybe they get a good fine out of it. Hopefully nothing. But that's where I'm at with crypto in general, guys. The long-term hold. You have to hold. XRP, just wanted to bring you guys this little, Watcher Guru put this out. A lawyer representing Ripple and its lawsuit predicts that the agency will soon start targeting crypto exchanges, and I believe that to be an accurate prediction. I think the SEC is going to be all over these exchanges very soon, and you know what? Maybe, like I said, maybe a good thing, maybe a bad thing. Only time will tell, guys. If you are invested in any cryptocurrency right now, always do your research, guys. Always use your head, okay, guys? Don't blindly invest. And like I said, I did it. I was a noob back in 2017, and I blindly invested in XRP, and I bought the top, guys. I did, and I lost quite a bit of money on XRP, but at the same time, I learned a valuable lesson. As long as you take lessons from these losses, which, sometimes can occur, you know what? That's all that really matters. And don't go selling your car. Don't go using your rent money, your electric money to buy cryptocurrencies. That's a bad idea, guys. This is not, a casino. If you're gambling, you're probably going to lose, guys, especially if you're new to the game. It's not a get rich quick thing. Every now and then, the sun does shine on a dog's ass, and very small percent gets rich really quick, but it's a long-term hold, guys. Hold. That's what I learned, the value of the long-term hold. So right now I'm heavily invested in Shiba Inu. I think Shiba Inu is doing big things, and I didn't buy the top on Shiba Inu. I own quite a bit of Dogecoin, and I own quite a bit of a few other coins. Bitcoin, Ethereum. I think Bitcoin, in my opinion, guys, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. I think Bitcoin, we can see $1 million per Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoins are running out, guys. There's only so many Bitcoins that were minted, and eventually it's going to become supply and demand, guys. There's going to be no more Bitcoin, and I can see Bitcoin, again, in my opinion, not financial advice, I could see Bitcoin $1 million per token, guys, or more. I can see that happening. So the markets and the data doesn't lie, guys. I always say, when in doubt, zoom out, and that's not my saying. I'm sure you guys have heard that, but it's true. When in doubt, zoom out, guys. Look at the bigger picture. Crypto in general has been growing, guys. And recently, the past couple of years, exponential growth, guys. And it's only going to continue. It's only going to get better. The dollar is dying. I'm watching that firsthand. 2022 inflation is at its highest, and the dollar is dying, guys. It's dying. So that's just my take, guys. Like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss an episode, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.